Hello everyone! Today we will watch a video about a lost puppy, and please like and subscribe in advance.
Today, Jessica finds something very unusual in the park. A lost, scared puppy. Will she be able to help it? Stay with us to find out. Jessica is 19 years old. She loves adventures and learning English. One sunny morning, she walks through her favorite park. The air is fresh. Birds sing happily. Flowers bloom everywhere. Everything seems normal until she notices something moving under a bench. A small puppy is hiding under the bench. Its fur is muddy. It looks very scared. Jessica feels her heart soften. She gently approaches and whispers, "Hello, little one. Are you lost?" The puppy does not respond at first, but it wags its tiny tail. Slowly, it creeps closer. Jessica smiles softly. "It's okay. I won't hurt you." She stretches her hand. The puppy sniffs her fingers. It is starting to trust her. Jessica practices simple commands with the puppy. Sit. Stay. Come. The puppy barks happily. Jessica picks up the puppy and holds it close. "Let's find where you belong," she whispers. She looks around. No one is nearby. The puppy's tiny body trembles, but Jessica speaks softly, "Don't worry. I will help you." She decides to take the puppy home for now. But she wonders, how can she find its owner? Jessica names the puppy Buddy. She gives him water and a warm blanket. Then she notices a small collar with a tag. She reads aloud, "Maxwell Street, 12B. Maybe this is your home," she thinks. Jessica writes the address in her notebook and plans the next step, walking Buddy around the neighborhood to find his owner. Jessica says aloud, "Buddy, let's practice words. Sit. Stay. Run. Good boy." Buddy barks. As Jessica walks Buddy through the neighborhood, she meets her neighbor, Mrs. Thompson. "Oh, Jessica, what a cute puppy. Where did you find him?" "I found him under a bench in the park," Jessica replies. "Do you know anyone who lost a puppy?" Mrs. Thompson shakes her head. "Maybe someone posted online," she suggests. Jessica quickly takes out her phone. She posts a picture of Buddy in the local community group. "Found this little puppy in the park today. Does anyone know whose puppy he is?" While waiting for a reply, Jessica plays with Buddy. He sniffs flowers and runs around happily. Jessica laughs and says, "You are full of energy." She also practices English. "Come, Buddy. Sit. Stay." Buddy responds with happy barks. Soon, a young boy named Ethan replies, "I think that's my puppy." He runs to Jessica. "Is this Buddy?" he asks. Jessica smiles. "His name is Buddy for now. I saw the tag." "Your name is Ethan, right?" Ethan nods. He hugs Buddy tightly. "Thank you so much. I've been looking everywhere." Jessica replies gently, "I'm glad he's safe."
Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.